So guys, I'm tired, but we're going off-road. We got the Rover, we got the FJ, and
do you guys remember Steve? Anyway, we're doing an off-road adventure today. Of course, we brought the pup. There's Miss Scarlett. And Colin will be driving this beast. Because in the desert, you don't need a license. Colin, I found a new couch. For when you move out. I don't even think we could couch surf with that. Like, there's nothing left. That's crazy, right? Here we go. Steve tried to take the highway. Backed it up. I gotta get my seatbelt on. What are you? Can we stop for a sec? Look at this beast. Hello, FJ. Sky! You driving? Here comes the boy. Yeah. Beast mode in it. That's a big drop. It's probably like a foot on the one side. Yeah. Going through this tunnel. Ooh. What's on the other side? This is the way we cut that one time we tried to go around the highway.
In the Corolla?
I want to say it was. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Holy moly.
I'll pull over up here.
I'm trying to keep it safe for y'all. We'll be driving. This is our view right now. Steve's taking the lead because he's been out here before.
Look at Scar. He's like, this ain't bad.
You hanging on, girl? Oh, my two favorite things. Well, my favorite dog, my favorite husband.
I'm a thing now.
You're my thing.
My two favorite things.
How many times am I gonna have to get out and walk?
Scar's like, can I come?
That first time didn't count though. I just wanted to get that bump going up.
It wasn't even bad. It looked bad.
It looked bad,
But on camera, it's probably not even look bad. This is how she likes to ride. Look at this.
Look at this girl. Look at her sitting. Hold on. Look at her sitting on Greg's arm. Is that what your guys' stuff does? Because that's what ours does. Oh, jeez. Ah, we're like walking the truck.
It's crazy. It's all washed out.
A little climb here for you. No, I don't want to do this.
One.
Oh, drowning. Are you kidding me? Oh God. Jeez. Oh.
Wait, is there anything down there that I'll run over?
No, just go. Don't go over that.
Hey, am I clear?
We're making it back to the mountains. Oh no, we're stopping. Look who's riding with brother. Look at that sight. Ooh. I didn't even realize we were doing one too. I wasn't watching. I was reading all your comments from the sign museum. Or the neon museum. Anyway, we are in the middle of the desert. Look how cool, you guys. I don't know, being from Ohio, I still love the mountains. Love everything about them. I don't like driving in them though. I'm so spoiled with flat land. But that's why I have cars, right? Or Colin. When I first bought the FJ, I bought it because they had this thing to go off-road. And I was like, maybe if I have my own off-road vehicle, I'll be better. And then what happened, huh? I I didn't like it. And who had to drive it? No. I would get out and walk because I get scared going up the stuff. I would get out and walk, and Colin and Craig would drive. Colin would drive one, Craig would drive the other. I'm telling them the FJ story, why we got it.
Yeah. I mean, now it's my truck.
Yeah. Alrighty. Seatbelt. Ow, I just hit my head. Turn the lockers on.
Yeah.
Oh, Colin doesn't have lockers, does he?
Yeah.
Does he know how to turn them on? Are you just saying that to make me feel better?
We talked about it before we got started on this trail.
Alright, so we're gonna climb that mountain. Maybe. I'm gonna climb it, they're gonna drive it.
Yeah. Everybody's like, he's an asshole making his wife walk up that hill.
I can't, guys, I have a panic attack. No, I'm not doing that. Oh God, I'm
Hey,
scared.
that's fine. It's a little.
No.
I was like, oh, tell me it's not as fun.
Yeah, it is.
We all want to see.
No, we don't. It's gonna look down. Look, you guys, we're going up.
Nothing. Little Colin here, let me get him. It went all weird.
Missed the boy. Oh! Jeez! Push!
That looks like a good spot.
Oh!
Like we just cut right up the mountain. Right up that little ledge.
Oh yeah, that looks so fun.
I would do it. I would make it.
You would?
Yeah, he got his head out the window like Ace Ventura.
Ah!
You should have seen the stuff Colin and I were climbing last week. You would have definitely been walking. I would be scared.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was sketchy. It was muddy because it rained last week. And we were up on the top of the hill. And
Were you sliding?
a little bit, yep. And Devin was leading and I was holding the brake. I was in 4 low drive.
Oh
first
my
gear,
gosh, I would have had a panic attack.
coming down this hill and literally there was like a 300-foot drop at one point where we had to like do a 3-point turn.
Woo!
Would have been like, nope, nothing.
Oh gosh. I'm walking.
Hold on.
Alright guys, we're gonna see. I gotta walk because I get stressed out. Oh God, please make it. You made it. Here comes Craig. Oh jeez. Who's next? It's Scarlett's turn. Come here. Gosh, there goes my boy. Holy moly. Beast mode net. I'm such a baby. Alright guys. I made it up to the top. I'm exhausted.
Still came in the road, Laura. I'm fully energized.
The rover. Oh, I'm so tired now. Did my workout for the day. Alright guys, we got 2 more to go up. That one and then that one. Wish me luck.
I'll go like owning this guy.
Oh, hold on. Okay. Whew. I wonder how safe this is. Holy moly. That was crazy.
Alright, you're good. Just start walking up and I'll just start crawling.
You guys, I can't do it. There they are, they're laughing at me. I'm gonna go up and then I'll get them coming up. Here he comes. Holy moly, guys. Oh, I can't.
It's super narrow up there. Yes.
We're gonna have to turn around.
Alright. I mean, yeah.
Here comes my boy. Here he is.
Here.
Come this way.
I'll help you turn around.
Cause it's fun drive. Truck's like, I don't wanna go backwards. Can you drive up and down? I can't believe he's not even a bit scared. I was so scared for him. Holy crap, guys, look. Slow down! Like, bumping all over. What is he? He keeps hollering out there. Oh, jeez. He made it. Were you scared?
I didn't even have my first one.
Be careful. Alright, Steve made it down.
You gonna ride down?
I think I'm gonna walk. It scares me, babe. I can't help it. Look! Oh my god, you guys!
That's what you get for walking.
There's a tarantula!
Where?
It's massive!
Oh, rad.
You guys, that is the biggest spider I've ever seen. What? I'm in. I don't want to go down the first one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we found a tarantula. Alright, I want to walk down this next one. Thank you. I'm sorry I get scared. And this is why I can't go down it. Because that freaks me out. Look at that. Oh, seriously, guys. Here we go. See, can you see me? So we just want to shoot. Wait, there. I'm afraid of tarantulas. Steve's turn. Yep, you want me to take guard? You got it. Here, Mr. Browning, making his own trails over there. Who's your father? Oh, look at this. He's coming to rescue me. There goes Colin. No, I don't. Run in, be careful. Here's my rescuer. Oh, he's crazy, you guys. He doesn't want me to have to walk it. But I can't.
Look what I started.
Are they both coming up? By the time I get down there, you guys will all be back down again. So I made it this far from the trail. Look at that Colin, waiting patiently. Steve and his train. I think I'm just gonna walk. Here he comes. Hello, sir. There's my boy. Look at Scar. Hey guys. Hi, Blizzards. Good old Roby. So I think we can get down here with the trucks. Here, I'll hold her. You guys, we're doing it. We're riding. Yeah.
It's a nice view over here. Okay. Crawling.
Alright guys, end of our day. Scarlett's driving home because Colin's not old enough. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. Peace out, Vegas. We love you.